What is good? Hope all is well. Peace to the family. Doc Motivate hitting you again. Today's question is, does receiving your pardon give you your gun rights back? Well, in some states, you're going to still have to get relief and apply for relief. You're going to have to write up a pro se petition to restore your gun rights. Now, in Delaware, receiving a pardon can restore your gun rights, right? You might need to petition the Delaware State Bureau of Identification to update your record, saying, hey, man, I have me a pardon now and need you guys to update my record, Some people choose to apply separately for their firearm rights restoration just for additional assurance. I mean, you can do that, but it's really important to check into your pardon. It says it, unless the pardon says no guns, no civil rights restored. It will specifically state it. So the language of your pardon is crucial. But in Delaware, all in all, a pardon can restore your gun rights, right? But like I said, it depends on the language. You should look at the exact terms on your pardon. Even call up there if you like to. Call up there and ask. But pardon rights generally do restore your gun rights. A pardon from the governor typically restores your civil rights, right to own and possess firearms, unless they say that, unless you got you ran into the store and pistol whipped somebody. This will be a violent crime. So you have violent crimes that have certain language in there, and you also have nonviolent crimes. Of course, the nonviolent crimes will allow you to get your rights restored a lot faster. But even if you have a violent crime, I've seen a lot of people still get these pardons if they follow the procedure and rules. No trouble, no active warrants, no stuff like that. I've seen people still get it by applying. Remember, you're going to write up your petition pro se. Very important. Or you can get your lawyer to do it for you. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a legal expert. I'm just giving you advice as a person with a pardon. I have a felony. I had a felony, and it's pardon. And remember, when you get your pardon, you also have to get your expungement. These are two separate things. It just doesn't come all in one. So I hope that answers your questions on